Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to set up a credit card account alerts for payments on Atlas. Alright, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this one at all. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into Atlas. You can do so on the online banking platform, that's the Atlas website, or you can do so on the Atlas mobile app on your mobile device. Now once you're logged into your account, you're going to select the credit card account that you want to set up a payment due date change alert for from the account dashboard. And then once that's done, just go ahead and click on account alerts and then select the payment due date change alert option. Once that's done, you're going to review and customize the alert settings, such as alert thresholds, or it could be the notification preference. Just go ahead and make sure to customize that well, and then once that's done, you confirm the alert settings and review the alert preferences. And once all that is set up, you can now receive payment due date change alerts on your credit card account, and you can always review the updated account information on Atlas. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a credit card account alert for payments on Atlas. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the